This will be a quick how-to video on how to use the new Ohio Ordnance Works BAR and HCAR recoil spring removal and installation tool. We developed this tool because we were finding a lot of people were having issues when they'd remove the recoil spring, getting it back into the gun. It's a very long spring that runs into a smaller channel, so when you're trying to install it, that spring likes to pop up and out. Can make it very difficult to get back in, so we developed this to kind of keep the spring in place and hold everything true, make it a lot easier to install. So to use the tool, two things are going to have to happen first for your BAR HCAR. You're going to want the trigger pack removed, and you're going to make sure that the gas tube is not on. From there, you're going to take just a normal piece of cardboard, nice and thin. That's going to slide up underneath between your operating rod and your barrel. You're also going to want to make sure that this operating rod is pulled all the way towards the muzzle end of the gun. After that, you're going to take your recoil spring, install it, start it into the little hole in the back of the operating rod, and just let it sit loose just like that. Now for the actual tool itself, you'll see that there's an end that has slightly a kind of thinner cut. That's going to go to the back end, sit right inside this cut on the receiver. So you're going to take it straight down. I'll sit right inside the operating rod. From there, you're going to take the actual recoil rod, kind of grip it like a syringe. So 2 fingers on the back section of it, your thumb right here, just like so. You're going to keep light pressure down on the tool itself, and all you're going to do is just kind of feed down at an angle and in to install the spring. Once you're pressed in, you're going to use your thumb to start rotating the spring itself. You may need to push in slightly and rotate. What you'll see is, you should see in here, right there, that rod, when it's sitting 90 degrees, so pointed straight up and down, it'll lock into the receiver. Once there, you can remove the tool, remove the piece of cardboard, and the installation is complete. To remove the spring, doing pretty much the same thing in reverse. Install your cardboard, place the tool in, just keep slight downward pressure, and you want to press in on the recoil rod, rotate it, and then keep pressure on it so it doesn't go flying. When you rotate it 90 degrees in either direction, you should be able to grab it. Same thing, pull up and at an angle and remove it. Tool comes out, piece of cardboard comes out.